I'm not even supposed to pick up your bracelet.
It's another windy day at Fontana.
Exceptionally windy.
Except like it's like kind of worse than last time. I got some fresh cakes, man. Pre-practice quesadilla. Got our go fast set up. Bro's chilling in there, you know. I don't know if you can see him. No! Hold on. Can I do it? Please. It's too windy. Right. Okay. Honestly. Oh no. I just want to crush it.
What does that feel like?
Womp womp, Oli. This is what you're saying now. Womp womp. Dude, oh my god. Like I like couldn't see over, so I think
Straight instead of turning a little bit.
it like felt sketchy, but I think it was fine. Everyone around me went, oh, so I feel like it was sketchy after I did it. Today the weather's like good 60-mile-per-hour gust at any time, so when you're riding your bike it just doesn't really work out.
It's like, wait, is the car coming on?
Just a sir on, bro. Darn. Thank you. I think that was my last lap, so unless anything happens. Bye-bye. It actually worked. Oh, it's a big rock. I literally got pushed all the way to the left on the flat rock garden on the freaking
Saddle?
I can't even stay on my bike.
I tried to jump and I got the wall and I was like, that was gnarly.
After some really windy practicing, it's time to head up.
Yes,
race run go today?
My race run went pretty well. It went better than the last one, and I had a lot of fun. So I'd say it's pretty successful.
How are the conditions?
Windy. Felt like I was in a hurricane. From every direction there. It wasn't a headwind, it wasn't a tailwind, it was just all around.
You were in the hurricane.
I was in it. I was the eye of the storm on the way down.
Good job today, man.
Thank you. You too.
Oh, look at that cool guy. Oh! That was the wind. That was the wind. That was the wind.
Oh! That's all she wrote for me.
That's all she wrote.
All she wrote.
Set up right there, just a little bump.
Oh. Alright, how did your race run go today, Olivia?
Went very well. Smooth and fast, and yeah, faster than my practice runs, that's for sure.
How are the conditions out there today?
Very windy, but I was lucky enough it wasn't that windy my race run, so yeah.
Good job today.
Woo!
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir!
I got a cool sticker from Ovi. Pretty sick, I'd say. See, I got loaded with the bikes, man.
All these kids think I'm a bike caddy.
But it wasn't today. It was not today.
Oh, we got a good nose shot. Would you like to make an appearance?
I gotta go over there.
Alright, well, we have Rayleigh Isgit.
Hello.
She got the W, let's go. So how did your run go today?
It went well. Yeah, I felt good on the course. It was fun. Yeah.
How were the conditions?
Pretty good. The rain really helped with the dirt. And yeah, it wasn't as loose as last weekend.
Sweet, good job. Hello. We're now leaving. I just finished podiums and I won. Yay. I had a very smooth run. I think I could have gone a bit faster and pedaled a little more, but it was very smooth, so I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. You want to say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.